all Malay. We want protect our country. Protect outside people.
Protect the people.
Protect the people.
Somali people.
Malay people. We want protect.
So this brother say will protect the people, protect Mali people. Why?
Don't know. I just don't know. I just think about protect people because Melayu. Because Melayu. Macam mana cakap mana dia? Macam mana cakap Melayu ni kena tindas macam mana? Aku tak cakap macam mana. I don't know what to say. Just for Melayu.
It's for Malayu.
Yeah.
So for Malayu what?
Yeah, it's just for Melayu.
So Malayu right?
Yeah, bersatu. Yeah, it mean bersatu.
Bersatu.
Melayu bersatu.
Malayu bersatu.
Yeah. Just for bersatu, nothing.
Maybe because Bursi 4, right? Bursi 4 really?
Yeah, maybe I don't know. Just maybe
Yeah. So some people say bring you here to take part in this rally. Some people bring you here.
No, just me want to go here. Don't some people come to see here.
Okay. Thank you, brother.